This might be one of the coolest mechanical keyboards I've had the chance of checking out, thanks to whatgeek sending it right over. Opening the box, we got a few goodies. Right off the bat, we got a few different keys to try out and also use as replacement keys if we need later down the line. Then in this white box right here, we got a really nice fabric wrap and slotted Type-C cable that plugs right in the back, and also a key puller tool that is going to be really handy. Then you also got some extra keycaps if you're a Mac user and a second dial knob that looks super neat. It also of course comes with instructions that are actually printed on some really nice paper. Now taking a look at the keyboard, it's got Cali cream switches, which got a good sounding click to them that I really adore, especially compared to my old MX Browns. It's also got a 10,000 mAh battery pack in it that makes it great to take on the go with you. One of the best parts is you can actually switch between 2.4 wireless, Bluetooth, and USB at the ease of a simple swipe, and it's awesome if you got two devices that you switch between. However, the font on the keys isn't my favorite and looks a bit weird, but of course that's my preference. And the lighting only lights up around the keys, not the letters themselves, which is a big pain in the butt, especially typing at night. As someone who types a ton, I'm really excited to type the heck out of it.